Welcome back to the channel. Today, so guys, I'm so sorry about Vlogmas. I had encountered some technical difficulties. However, we're just gonna do a regular vlog, and today is gonna be a holiday beauty reset vlog. So we're gonna do hair and we're gonna do nails, and yeah. So first we're gonna do hair, and you guys already know my hair place is in Boston. So yeah, we'll do a fit check and then we'll be on the way. So this is the fit. We got this bag for a pop of color. Yeah, and then these are the shoes. The shoes themselves are pop color. My outfit, some might say that it's uncoordinated, but it's just really unique, you know, because I have my own specific prowess. Yeah. All right. Let's just go to the hair salon. All right, now we just gonna wait, and then when she comes, then we'll be on the way to the hair appointments. Okay, hey guys, so we just made it to Boston, and now we're gonna go to our hair appointments.
Yes, here.
And so guys, we parked in this parking garage, and then the last time we parked here
It's not a good situation.
it was not a good situation. We were stuck for like 6 hours.
Very stuck. We got stuck in the light, and then by the time we got out, it was dark.
Yep. it was crazy, but that's not gonna happen this time. Nope. So we're just gonna go and then get our hair done, and then we're gonna get food, and then we're gonna zoom out to our nail appointments. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, so we just did a deep condition. That's what's up here brewing right now. There's Jill. She's getting her hair moved right now. Hey vlog. So now I'm in the chair. I'm getting my hair done. What are we doing right now, Shelly?
We're straightening your edges up.
Okay.
Making them nice and sleek.
We're making my edges nice and sleek right now. Alrighty vlog. So where to? Do you want to get lunch? Okay. Alrighty vlog, we have just exited the salon. Where are we going? Sorry. We have just exited the salon. We have been beautified, hairified. And now we're on our way to get lunch. And wait, where are we gonna get lunch?
Ramsey's Kitchen.
Okay, and we're gonna get lunch at Ramsey's Kitchen. Now I'm gonna stop vlogging because I don't want to fall on the ice. But we'll see you guys there. Okay, we'll see you guys there. Hey vlog, so we just made it to Ramsey's Kitchen, and right now Joe went to the bathroom, and I'm just standing here trying to get a table. But the lady just took these people over to a table, so hopefully she comes back. Oh. Guys, they also have this really cool picture of Gordon Ramsay. Like, well, actually, he's like everywhere, but it is his kitchen, so that makes sense. But let me show you guys this picture. There it is. It's so cool. Okay, hey guys, so we just sat down, and now we're ordering our drinks. And what I'm gonna get is a love affair. Joe, what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get a red sangria.
Nice. And what's in it?
Red wine.
Can I have a love affair, please?
Love affair? Yeah, of course. Love affair and red sangria.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. There's some other liquors that are mixed in there, but primarily red wine.
Fun. And then in the love affair, it's pineapple, apple, lime, and raspberries. And then we still need some time, I think, to figure out what we want to eat.
My
Yeah.
drink isn't on the menu because I always do that.
You're just unique.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys when we know what we want to eat. So our drinks came. So this is mine. This is the love affair. She looks so delish. She looks great. And then this is Jill's. What is it?
Red sangria.
It's just red sangria.
It's beautiful.
It looks great. All right, guys, taste test. Do I use both or only one?
Personal preference.
Okay, I'll use one. That's good. It tastes like fruit punch. Taste test.
gonna be good. Divine. Very good. Very nice and great.
Okay, and now we're gonna wait. Ooh, and now we're gonna wait until our food comes. And we just ordered. And Joe got the lobster bisque and the arcade burger, and then I got the fish and chips. There's Joe's lobster bisque. He's so good. Before it was just the lobster, and then he poured in the bisque. Sorry I didn't get that, guys. But yeah. Okay, Joe. Want to do a taste test?
Yes.
Wait, what do you think? How do you think about the presentation?
I think it's gorgeous. I've never seen that before.
It smells good too.
Yeah, never.
A real Lord
I've seen it get poured in front of me. I love that.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Very flavorful.
Great.
Wow.
Even the presentation.
Presentation 10, taste 10 as well.
Wonderful. Mm-hmm. You heard it here, guys. Best lobster bisque in town. Please. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, this is my own personal, this is my serving of bisque. I just thought, I was like, guys, it was so good. I had to get one. It was delicious. It was so great. Look at that. For a taste test. Even though I already know that it's gonna be delicious. But best bisque in town. Really. Presentation? Yep.
This is coming.
Presentation 10 out of 10. The show, it was great. It's just wonderful. They even put a little bit of veggies on there. Mm-hmm. It's great.
And how about the taste?
Let's taste this one more time. 20 out of 10.
Let's
the
go
best.
Double.
Great. Yup.
Love it.
So total score 30 out of 10.
Which means
Yeah.
that your lobster biscometer is way off the charts. So other places better just like watch out.
Yeah. You know, honestly, they just gotta take the recipe. They gotta, text Gordon and be like, hey, guys, what's the recipe for that bisque?
Fantastic. Gorgeous.
Wonderful. So great. Vlog. So we just finished up with the bisque, and now we got the fish and chips. Let me show you guys. Look at that. That was crazy. That was a crazy fish. They caught him. They fried him. But I can't wait to eat it. Do you think I should put this over the fish? Oh yeah. Nice. Alright vlog, so we just got all finished eating and now we're on our way to go and explore the town. Alright, so right now we're in Aritzia and honestly they have like a lot of cute stuff. But I don't really know if I'm gonna get anything. But their stuff is really cute. Like look at this sweater. It's adorable. So nice. So we just left. We left Aritzia. We're still in the Copley Place Mall, and right now we're on like another side of the mall. So yeah, and then we're just gonna do some shopping around, or probably not even shopping, just some looking around, and yeah, life should be peachy. Guys, you can see me in like the mirror of Dior. Let me show you. Like all the way back there. Can you see me? Here I am. Okay, alright, I'll see you guys. Hey vlog, so we did all our looking around, our searching, and now we're getting ready to go to our nail appointment. And we gotta leave the garage. And last time, it wasn't a very seamless experience, but it's a new day. It's a new week. It's a new month.
It's a new month. Exactly.
Soon to be a new year. So, now, let's see. Moment of truth.
Please pay for parking fee. Please press the receipt button to issue receipt. Receipt will be issued. Thank you for your visit and have a safe ride.
Seamless experience, guys. 10 out of 10. Way better than last time.
10 out of 10.
I was a little scared, but nothing to be scared of. Okay, we'll see you guys when we're at the nail salon. Hey vlog, so we're at the salon and now we're just waiting to get our nails done. But I'm gonna put up a picture of what I want. So those are the nails that I want. And yeah, we'll see how they come out. These are the nails. These are the after. We decided to forego the little white line. So yeah. I think that they're really, really cute. And then guys, they gave us Christmas presents. So this is my Christmas present. And I'll give you guys a unboxing haul thing. One sec. This was the bag that they gave us the presents in. And let's see what's in here. Back to this. So, in here, it is it's like this coupon thing, I think, for a free phone. Huh. And then it's some cuticle oil. Nice. And rose gold. Oh, this is and some hand lotion. Fun, so on brand. And guys, I got to open up one of my Christmas gifts early. Well, technically two, because I got to open up one early at my mom's house and one early at my dad's house. But let me show you guys what I opened. So, what I opened was this. It's a mirror wall. A mirror that can go on the wall. So I think I'm going to open it and then put it right there on that door because it can hang over the door too. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So here's the mirror. She's so sleigh. And you can even open her up. And she has these travel pouches and you put some lippies right there, some makeup right there. And then up here I could do my makeup if I was tall. But you know, I could always just stand on the stool and go like choo choo choo. And it even has un petit table. C'est très cool, right? And it even has that stuff right there and places to put your rings. It's so awesome. I'm gonna see if I can stock it with some of my makeup. Already off to Grace Art, we have a whole bunch of lippies that we can put in right there. Stocked. So here's how I organized it. So here we just have, mirror, and then we open her up, and then we have lippies, nail stuff, and then nail remover and hair stuff. And then here we have some hair clips, and then I didn't put anything right there. Let's just do anything. But yeah, so nice, so great. I love it. It's so wonderful. It's so awesome. Okay, that's it for the video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you know when I post. Bye!